At HomeHero, we know that managing a home can be stressful and time-consuming, which is why we make moving into a rental property like checking into a hotel. HomeHero is the operating system for your home. We make setting up a home simple and easy by connecting you to a marketplace of services that help make your house a home. By the time you move in on day one, your internet and energy services are ready to go and your council tax and water have been registered, which means no more hassle trying to get your Wi-Fi connected. It's switched on from the moment your foot is through the door. Light switch not working? Report it via the app. Once you're all set up with HomeHero, we continue to support you through your tenancy by giving you an easy way to communicate with your property manager. We know moving into a new place you will always have questions. The app has you covered, and our experience with over 20,000 tenants helps us resolve your issues quickly. We also help you get settled into your neighborhood with local suggestions. Head to the Picks section of the app to discover the best local hotspots and fitness spaces, curated by our team of lifestyle experts. With all the dull bits and to-do lists taken care of, you can start enjoying your home. That's the power of a HomeHero home.